Hello, hi beautiful people. Thank you for tuning in today. Sheila here. So, this is our final part of Nakawuka Road, just like I have been telling you. This is our final part. So, this is the video where we move from Kasenge to somewhere there along the way. Somewhere there along the way where the road was impassable. It was impassable. So we had to turn back, yeah. But this is still Kasenge, actually. For the most bit from here up to where we sort of stopped, it is still Kasenge, though we were sort of near, what's it called? Nkungulutale. So the area there where the video is going to stop is called Nkungulutale Trading Center. Just near there. So on the right we have coffin makers. Do you see there on the right? Those are the coffin makers of Kasenge. That is where they are. Then on the left, this is the park of the tukutukus. That is the park. I think you've seen quite a number of them, yeah? Then obviously we have some people playing pool table. Now, generally you know how the trading center is, eh? How the trading center is when it rained a little bit and the dust is not so crazy. So we do not have dust in this ride. The rain made it a bit easier. And you're going to see, actually a lot of people are building this side where we are going, yeah? So you're going to see what is going on. The green was more green, not more brown like the ones before, because you know the rain had washed off the brown and everything. People were building. You're going to see people's houses, unfinished houses, nice houses, houses, generally houses this side where we are heading, yeah? So for those people who were mentioning, you know, plots of land and everything, yeah, I think the area where we are going is your go-to area, somewhere there, Nkungulutale. So if this is your area where we are going, where we are heading, please say hello. Please say hello if this is your area. We got some people whose area was, you know, Chikajo and then Chinawa. So yeah, if this is your area, please say hello. Say hello to us. We will say hello back, yeah? As for the people from Chikajo, the people from Chinawa, the people from Kaboja, guys, we do not know how you handle the dust. Maybe one of these days you will give us some advice on how the dust is handled. But just like I mentioned in the previous video, that the people voted, and I take people's votes seriously because I am not a dictator. So the people voted, and the results were this road took the crown for the dust. So it is okay now because it had rained and everything, yeah, just like you can see. But it looks like it is the village, like deep there in the village. You see what I mean, yeah? The kind of setting, the kind of everything that is going on looks like, if you guys watched, for those who have been here long enough, yeah, there was a video that was from, what was it? Nadia Magonja, somewhere there in between Majije and Nakwero, there. You remember the kind of setting that they had? This is now the similar setting. But now, Nadia Magonja is like kilometers and kilometers and kilometers away from the city center. And this is quite next to town. But, well, I don't know. I really don't know what is not going on well for them. What is going wrong or what is not happening right, I do not know. But this is the setting. This is the area. We have some people who are growing trees over there, down there. Somebody's land, they decided to put trees. This truck was just polluting the environment. We had just escaped dust and the truck was just doing other things. We also have a flat. You've seen the small flat. It's among the first flats that we have seen, apart from the houses, I mean. You know what I mean? Apart from the houses, because we've seen some houses that are flats, like up. But, you know, flats that has shops kind of thing, yeah? Most of the shops are like that, yeah? Like that. That's how most of the shops are. And that's how most of the houses are. But anyway, this is the area. This is Nakawuka Road. But again, if it had not rained, this would be a dust of a storm of dust. If it hadn't rained, we would be experiencing a storm of dust right now. But thank God for the rain. So this is it. This is how the area looks like. Somewhere there in the video, we passed by some place that was making these things. You know these things that they're the roads that they're constructing in Kampala, yeah, how they're putting those very, very big concrete pipes for the underwater drainage, yeah. I saw very, very many of them, very, very many of them. They even got me thinking that maybe this is the person who got the contract to, make these things so that they use them for the road construction. You're going to see somewhere there where people are building their houses. That side where we're heading, you're going to see people are building their houses, then empty plots of land. Quite a lot going on. I see the lady dancing. Oh, the track moves with music, yeah? Though, of course, I have to voice over and everything, but the track moves with music. So sometimes we have kids dancing, kids on the road, they're dancing. The lady there was dancing to the music. Hey, guys, no, echichuba wano, echichuba. Come to work with me, come to work with me. You have been coming to work with me these past few days. So anyway, this is Nakawuka Road, but just like I said, it's like deep there, yeah. Guys, there is a house. There is a very, very nice house that you're going to see. Whoever built that house must have been a politician or somebody who ran into some money or something. You're going to see. Somewhere in front there was a house, like a very nice house, just the outside compound alone, yeah. You know how someone builds a fence and then they leave space in between the fence and the road, like the outside, like the roadside compound. Just the roadside compound would be enough for some of us to build. Well, you're going to see what I'm talking about. Somewhere in front there, yeah. But yeah, as we get to that, this is the community. This is the area. Some bits there have houses there in where you're seeing the hills and the trees. Okay, people are building this side, most especially where we are going to branch off, yeah, because we reached the road, it was impassable, and then we tried to branch off to get a shortcut, though we got lost somewhere there, and then we had to come back down. But shortcut here, yeah. There were a lot of houses. You're going to see what is going on. So Nakawuka Road, this is the situation. This is how it looks like. This is what is going on. So guys, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. If you are returning, thank you for coming back over and over. I really, really do appreciate you being here. Drop me a comment. Let me know the areas that you would like to see, and when I pass by, I would definitely bring you your area. When I pass by, for whichever reason, whether I'm driving somebody there or I am working chichuba like this one, or something has taken me there, I would definitely bring you your area. So you see the plots of land that I was talking about, yeah? We do have, those ones that are demarcated and all that. We do have quite a number of them where we are headed, yeah? So just sit and watch. For the people who keep on commenting about, land and everything, I think starting from this side, going on up to the other side of Nakawuka, but you have to be used to that dust. Just like you saw in the previous two videos, you have to be used to that dust, yeah? So guys, as I was saying, let me know the areas you would like to see. Let me know what you think about the road. Let me know what you think about the community. Let me know. So you see that road there, somewhere there where you see the water. The cars were just turning back. That is the place that is near the what's the trading center again? I've forgotten. The trading Nkungulutale. That's the place near the Nkungulutale. There where the cars were not passing and everything, yeah? But I'm going to show you because we came back again and got a bit closer. So I will show you what was going on there. So this is the shortcut that we took, and this is the bit I was telling you, where people are building, and then the plots of land and everything, and then the fancy house, and then the concrete big pipes under there. This is the area. So just watch with me. So guys, in case you do enjoy the video, in case you do enjoy the tour, please do not forget to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you are new. Yes, the areas I know. What's that? Namasuba Chikajo is pending. Namugongo is pending. I've actually finished most of the areas, guys. Namasuba Chikajo, Namugongo. We do have Bugolobi Flats, and then Luzira Road, and then where else? And those are the areas. Somebody wanted Buloba, you know, from like Busega to Buloba. I have a video. You see the houses I was talking about? And we do have quite a lot of them this side. People are really building this side, yeah. So as I was saying, I managed to get a video from Busega to somewhere there, Buloba, one of the days when I was working, because we worked that side as well. So that video is sorted, and the other videos I'll be working on you very soon. Very soon. You will be surprised, yeah. So people are building here. Do you see? Even over there you're seeing the houses, the flats, the houses, the mategula, and all that. People are building. Like, people are really building. People are building. Look at people's houses. Actually, this bit looks a bit more organized than the other side. The other side where the dust was unbelievable. You see? This bit looks a bit more organized. More like it was going to... more like an estate, maybe. Or maybe it has an estate kind of setting. Okay, I'm not talking about the other fancy estates, but you know what I mean, yeah? An estate is organized. The plots of land are organized. Now this is the house, guys. Just look at the outside compound. Look at the outside compound. The roadside compound, in fact. Before you get to the outside compound inside. But where do people get money? I know I keep on asking you all the time, but where do people get money, my dog? And then even in the sides, it goes up to the other side. So whoever is the owner of that house, they are doing something right. Now, these are the things I was telling you. They are many. There are many. They keep on. I think that's somewhere there. That's where they're making them from. Like making them from scratch or something like that. They make them from in there where you see the iron sheets, and then they put them out here. To dry or what? I don't know. Because it got me thinking that maybe these are the people who are, you know, doing the things that we are using for the roads these days. I know there are other companies and things like that, but man, these ones were too many, like mass production or something. Yeah, you see, there is more of them there, and then there is more of them on this side as well. There were very many. But anyway, we are not on Nakawuka Road anymore. We are somewhere in that shortcut, just like you saw. We got off the road a bit, yeah, because now the other road was you're going to see. I'm going to show you. So we got off the road a bit. This is somewhere there. I don't even know the name of this town, but somewhere there, somewhere near Nkungulutale, somewhere near Nkungulutale, somewhere there where people are building. I think you see, people have taken building seriously this side. We have unfinished houses that are being finished, houses that are going on, houses that are happening, plots of land that have been demarcated. But I think these people, now guys, do you remember these things? For people who were born, 1990 and below or something, remember these things? The people who did not have bathrooms those days, they used to use those plants. The people without a proper bathroom, they used to like plant those plants to make like the walls, because they're thick enough if you put them together. And they used to shower from there. Do not ask me where I saw that from. Do not ask me where I saw that from, but I was born in the 90s, so I saw a bit of things before they totally went out, yeah? Because I know kids these days would never get that. They wouldn't even know what that is. They've even never seen that in their whole entire lives or something. Those things that we just passed, eh? By the way, this is the area, guys. This is the area. I'm thinking this area also has dust if it has not rained, but not as much as the other areas, because now this area is greener, eh? This one is a bit greener, it's a shortcut and all that, but it's a bit greener than the other side. But you see, the fact that the truth of the matter, which is building, everyone is building, everyone is putting up something, eh? Yeah. So, that is how this place looks like. Could be someone's home, could be someone's village. Guys, if you're coming from this side, please say hello. Guys, this is that's what mirror, do they call it? Mirror, yes, I think mirror. Yeah, these people grow a lot of mirror, a lot. You see, even Kasenge town there where we were, people were selling sacks and sacks and sacks, eh? You know, like how you see a sack of nsenene when it's a season for nsenene, like a full sack, eh? And then people are just taking. Mama, it was sacks of mirror, sacks and sacks and sacks. And then when we got this side, okay, yes, they are not the big fancy houses, but you see what I mean. Guys, when we got this side, these people they plant many mirror plants. Some of them have even become trees. Mirror is that thing, that the green leaves that they chew, right? Those ones, eh? There were plants and plants and plants and gardens, eh? Yeah, because I heard that the people of Nakawuka also take it seriously. So from Kasenge to that stretch, Kasenge to Nakawuka, people take that business seriously. It is a serious business. It is not for joking. There were plants and plants and plants, like how you're seeing the matoke there and the maize there. Yeah, people were taking. Hey, it is serious business. Sacks and everyone was buying and people were buying. There when the market, when it was raining and all that, we were waiting out the rain, and you know what I mean, yeah? So that is among the economic activities that go on this side. Actually, I think those are the plants there. Some of them anyway. If you know how they look, you know what I'm saying. Some of them had become trees, eh? Those are plants, like everyone who can plant it has planted it. And then the rooms, obviously, the rooms being built, 1 room, 2 room, 1 room, 2 rooms, whatever somebody can put up, they are putting up this side. But actually, no, now that the area is, you know, people building like this, I think the plots this side are also something else these days. Anyway, so this is the road. We later came down to the road. This is the road. The cars, the big trucks were not going. The small ones were going. The tukutukus were going, but the big trucks were not going. And the truck that we were on was quite big, yeah. So we stopped somewhere here. You know how you go on a road, but everyone who is passing by the car, or everyone you're driving past, is saying, hey, you are fool. You cannot pass there. All these guys were turning around. All the big trucks were turning around. They could not. Like, they literally could not. And all the people who were coming from up there, that's all they were saying. You cannot pass there. Oh, just turn around. Oh, the road is dead. So I do not know if that's what happens when it rains. I don't know, maybe when it rains this side, that's what happens. You see? Now this no, that's not a tukutuku. That's a nyongeza. The nyongeza was thinking about, you know, its life choices. Should I go up? Should I not go up? The tukutuku was stranded there, though it later moved. For some reason, they can move, munange. So the smallish cars were going, but the big cars that seem heavy and all that, yeah, they couldn't move. So that's our tour today, guys. Thank you for being here, and I'll be seeing you in our next video. That's it for Nakawuka Road. Thank you for being here. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, drop me a comment and share. I'll see you soon. Take care now. Bye bye.